Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect USB pendrive to XIAOMI 12T Pro and access all of the files inside. And to do this, make sure that you have a pendrive with USB-C, like this one right here. Then connect it to the bottom of the phone where you usually charge it. After connecting, let's wait a few seconds and then we should see this notification. But we can also scroll down and it should be visible right here. So click on Explore or Eject it. And I would recommend clicking Eject before disconnecting it. So click on Explore and here's all files that this pendrive contains. And here's the pictures. And that's basically it. Now to remove it, scroll down, click on Eject, and now we can remove it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.